Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are bringing the news about Liverpool football news. So today we are going to be talking about Liverpool transfer news as Sporting CP has reportedly lowered its price for Ousmane Dioumande. Meanwhile, Anslot could look to the championship for a winger. With Jurgen Klopp time in charge of Liverpool coming to an end tomorrow, thoughts are beginning to turn to what the new era at Anfield will look like. Ousmane Dioumande could be available for around $65 million this summer. According to Portuguese outlet, Liverpool have been linked with a move for the Sporting CP defender this year, with Football Transfers claiming last month that the Red are monitoring the 21-year-old ahead of the summer. Despite having a release clause of $87 million, Sporting is said to be willing to negotiate for a lower fee. Liverpool could have competition though, with Newcastle and Chelsea also said to be interested. Ousmane Dioumande is a one-of-a-kind defender that is been strong and he has the potential to play for Liverpool defense. With Anslot coming to Liverpool, I think Ousmane Dioumande will be a right choice for Liverpool. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like and share this video.